Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Sweat. We back with another video, man. And I thought, cause your boy, it's been a while since I uploaded a video about how much it costs to fill up a Charger RT. And y'all know gas prices, they change. They go up and down. Recently, I've been seeing them go up in the areas I be in. So I was like, why not get y'all boys another video? And ladies, you know what I'm saying? I don't discriminate. But I thought, why not get y'all another video and we see how much it costs to fill up the RT after, the last video. Now, as y'all can see right now, I have 10 miles till E. Like, oh no, your boy has been thugging it today, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. We about to get to the gas station, and we gonna see how much it costs to fill up the Charger RT once again, man. So, you know what I'm saying? Y'all go ahead, sit back, you know what I'm saying? Keep your little greasy fingers off the screen. Don't touch your remote, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget to like the video. And we're gonna see how much it costs to fill up the Charger RT from basically completely empty. Cause like, y'all see that? Like, that junk is crazy. But I'm gonna pick y'all back up once I get to the gas station, cause I gotta make sure I make it. All right, man, I had to pick y'all back up, give y'all an update. So now we are at low range, as if you can see it on the dashboard. Let me zoom in for y'all so y'all can see. That thing says low range. And the QT is not, you know what I'm saying, it's not close. So I'm cutting it real close this time. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully we do make it. We normally will, because if you know these cars, all Dodges, it'll say low range and you'll still be able to drive for an extra like 30-40 minutes. These cars really don't be needing gas like that. They just be lying to you. Don't get scammed. But yeah, man, so I'm gonna, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna check back in with y'all if anything happens. But right now we are on the way and the light up ahead just turned red, so let's pray your boy Sweat make it to the gas station. Hey, comment down below. Please make it to the gas station. All right. We almost to the gas station. I know y'all probably can't see it from here, but the QT is not that far ahead, man. And, you know what I'm saying? Your boy made it. He had low range. All we got to do now is make it through this light. And your boy has made it to the gas station without running out of gas. Come on, gang. Hurry up. Drive through. That Mustang flying down there. Oh my God. Buddy, slow down. Your car's not fast. But hey, man, we just made it to the QT. Most definitely. Y'all see, we out here. The QT. Y'all see, we got a cop right here. He's pussy. But, yeah, man. We just made it to the gas station. And I don't see no pumps I like, for real. I don't want to go to none of these $5 ass pumps, for real. So I'm going to pick y'all back up once I actually park at a pump. All right, man, so at this gas station, this QT location, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show y'all, but gas is $3.30. So right now we getting filled up. Oh, John, my light's not even on. Right now we getting filled up. We're gonna see how much it costs to fill up this car. It's cold outside, that's why I got back in the car. But yeah, man, and I don't think I'm gonna drop a video on this, so I'm gonna show y'all in this video. You know what I'm saying? We installed some LED trim lights in the Charger, yes sir. But right now the gas is pumping and we just chilling. Y'all check out my man's in the 345, yes sir. Y'all see we got a nice little range too. Ooh. But yeah, man, we just chilling. We wait for the gas to finish, and that's it for real. I mean, y'all comment down below other videos y'all want to see. You know what I'm saying? I know I ain't been posting that much. Mostly what I've been posting is legal pits and stuff, because it's the most entertaining thing going on around where I'm at. So, but y'all stay tuned this summer. There's like, I think like a legal pit every month. So y'all will see a legal pit video every month, whether it's part ones, just part ones, or it's part 1 and 2. Y'all comment down below what y'all like better. Do y'all like them separate, part 1 and part 2, or do you just want one big video? But yeah, man, as y'all can see, about to put a smooth 60 ball. Oh, y'all, That's $59.99 on the dot. God dang. And it took 17 gallons, man. So I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna take out the gas pump. You know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna show y'all my range and let y'all see. Plus, keep in mind, other people's gas mileage and ranges might not be the same as mine because I have damn, I can't talk. I have a high gas mileage or miles per gallon. Mine is at 20. Most people in these cars is at like, you know, 11 to 14. But I'm gonna check back in with y'all once I get back in the car. All right, man, just got back in the car. Let's see how many miles we got from this. All right, let's see. What are we at? Okay, it's loading. And we are at 361 miles after filling up with 17 gallons. You know what I'm saying? That is the most expensive gas I've ever bought for this car. I'm not gonna lie. Normally, I'm in the low 50s or high 40s. I'm about to say 49s. Normally, it's like 49 to 53. But, yeah, that's crazy, man. I ain't gonna lie. $59.99. Almost 60 bucks, yo. That is crazy. I know that is drastically more than what I did first time I made this video. Y'all comment down below if these prices are insane. Y'all comment down below if y'all want a video on if you should buy this car. Is it worth it? Can you daily it? Because I will make one of those videos for y'all. And you know what I'm saying? I don't got much else to do today. And your boy chilling. But I do got a POV I've had in the vault. That's like, you know what I'm saying? It's halfway because that day got hot. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in here for y'all. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. And you know what I'm saying? Y'all comment down below what y'all want to see. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'm out. Yo, what's poppin' YouTube, man? I know I ain't gave y'all boys a POV in a hot minute. So I was like, man, why not? I ain't got nothing better to do. So let's go ahead and just, Oh my God, quick little 100, okay. By the way, this is all CGI. Everything you see, it has been performed in the Crew Motorfest 2. Oh my God. Stay over there, fuckboy. God dang. Crack this window a little bit. Damn. God damn. Nah, that shit is OD, gang. I swear to God, that shit OD, gang. God damn. But I swear, doing a POV with one hand, it's not safe. Not gonna count. Hey, this thing got a little power to it. Oh, dang. Oh, let's go ahead and cut across. Hey, we out of there. Y'all see, we got a little Charger Easy over there. Sheesh. Hey, how you doing, man? Bow. Drop a gear on her. And then we gonna get out of there. God dang. Well, I swear, I love this car. It's just a fun little car to have. Whew. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hey, man. If you're looking to get a 5.7, do it. I swear, this is a fun car. No cap. Hey, and for all my people out there who want to do POVs, but you worried about, you know, the law enforcement, Just don't do POVs where you live. Simple as that. I don't do none of my POVs where I live, but also this is done in a video game, so it's like, hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, man. Big time. Woo. Boy, this thing got a little geek to it today. Oh my God. God dang. Oh, we about to drop a gear on them boys. Like D. And then we go, ooh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ooh. What's up? God dang, boy. I swear to God. Y'all said we got a little Charger Easy coming up. Oh, that's cute. It ain't my car though. Little boy. Well, I love this car though. It's a fun little car. I need to chill around here. I know it'd be cops sitting over here. I gotta chill. God dang. It's a fun little car though, no cap. I need to get a head mount for y'all. I feel like head mount POVs are better. God dang. Just listen to those downshifts. Oh my God. Oh my God.